to Rawlas Studio. In today's video, we have very beautiful printed crepe sarees with the zari borders, attached zari borders. This is the saree. Beautiful floral patterns. Each color has different floral patterns. It's a ramar bluish green color. There's no specific pallu for this. It's a running pallu and has a printed blouse. This is the blouse. All these are priced at 1090, shipping extra. Next one, a beautiful black color with paisley and floral prints. So this is the saree. Saree. A simple pallu, just with this border line. It's a running pallu. Has a very beautiful prints all over the body. Comes with a plain black blouse with borders for the hands. These can be normally washed, ideal for office wear, daily wear. Next one, nice blue color. Let me show the design close up. These can be matched with contrast plain blouses as well. The one that comes with the saree is a self-colored blouse. This will be the blouse. Next one, nice lemon green. This will be the saree. Border, saree border attached to the edges. This has a printed blouse. This is the blouse. Again, these are priced at 1090. This can be normally washed. Very beautiful orange color. Blouse is pretty similar to the previous one, same design blouse. These are unique saree collections. Next one, beautiful red. Comes with printed blouse. This is the saree. This is how the saree looks. Comes with a printed blouse. Beautiful. Beige color base with multicolor block prints. Looks. This is the blouse. Printed blouse. Very pretty. Turmeric yellow. Floral prints. This is how the saree looks. Printed blouse. Bottle green. This is the saree. This will be the blouse for the saree. Self-printed blouses. They need lining. Very beautiful. Pink, dark pink. This is how the saree looks. Comes with a self-printed blouse with bottom. Last one, very pretty lavender color with multicolor florals. This is the saree. This will be the blouse. Printed blouse. Again, all these are priced at 1090, shipping extra. If you would like to place your orders, do write to us through the WhatsApp numbers given in the description box. People in Chennai, do visit our store. Thank you.